Hey kaikille! In this video, we will learn how to make negative sentence in Finnish. Negatiivinen lause. This is one of the most important grammar points for a beginner. What you will learn in this video, how to use the negative verb in ette, emme, ette, eivät. How to combine it with the main verb, an easy example with translation. Let's see the negative verb from Minä and Sinä, et, hän, ei, me, emme, te, ette, he, eivät. Now let's try with the verb puhua, to speak. Minä en puhu, sinä et puhu, hän ei puhu, me emme puhu, te ette puhu, he eivät puhu. See, the main verb always stay in the basic form, puhu. Let's look at some real sentence. Minä en puhu espanjaa. I don't speak Spanish. Sinä et asu Helsingissä. You don't live in Helsinki. Hän ei osta jäätelöä. He or she doesn't buy ice cream. Me emme tanssi tangoa. We don't dance tango. Te ette laula. You don't sing. He eivät katso televisiota. They don't watch TV. And that's how you make negative sentence in Finnish. Easy, right? Just remember negative verbs and main verb is basic form. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own example of Finnish negative sentence. Kiitos kun katsoit. Heippa!